Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all. I am Dr. Sudhir Kumar Rajput, Assistant Professor in Department of Agronomy, Institute of Agricultural Sciences, BHU, Varanasi. Today I will discuss Lecture 2 of Module 3 on farm implements for the agronomical operation. As we know, farm implements are very important for the agronomical operation, and this helps in the farm mechanization. Mechanization is important because it saves the time, labor cost, and enabling the farming operations is timely. That's why these farm implements are very important for the fodder production. What the first come to the introduction about the definition. What are the farm implements, tools and machines and attachment used in agriculture to make farming tasks like soil preparation or field preparation, planting, maintenance and harvesting more efficient is known as the farm implement. These are the tools. Key role of the farm implements, like for the field preparation, like disc plow, MB plow, harrowings are there. Rotavator is a recent advanced tool for the land preparation. These do the primary tillage and secondary tillage in single operation. The rotavator is the most advanced machinery or implements for the land preparation. Planting and sowing, we have seed drills, planter and seed drills. Crop care implements comes like this sprayer, spreaders for the spraying of fungicide, insecticide. Next we have harvesting and threshing for the thresher, and reapers are there for the harvesting of the fodder crops, thresher for the getting the seeds, post harvest processing, chaff cutter, grain dryer, miller are there, and this role also for enhancing the efficiency and productivity. These implements, machineries help to farmers to cultivate more land and complete the task on timely and increase the farm productivity and profitability. These machinery or tools also help in reducing the drudgery among the farmers. Next is importance of mechanization in agriculture or especially agronomic operation. This increase the productivity and efficiency. These machines allow the farmer to complete various agronomical tasks with the optional window, and this leads to better resource utilization and high yield. Cost reduction reduces the need for the manual labor, because this time manual labor is a big challenge in the agricultural operation. So this machinery or mechanization is very important. This also important in food security, minimizing the post harvest losses, sustainable resource management. These implements allow the reduce and more efficient use of the inputs, addressing the labor shortage. This mechanization is solution to farmers to continue the operation, improve the profitability and livelihoods. These machinery mechanization enhance the boost the productivity and efficiency. Now come to the classification of the farm implement based on power sources. First we have hand tools like sickle, hoe and khurpi. These implements work with the help of hand. These animal drawn implements require the animal power, plow and harrow. Tractor drawn operated implements like rotavator, cultivator, harrow and seed cum fertilizer drill. Self propelled machineries like self propelled sprayer are there. So this is about the classification based on power source. Animal source, human power source, tractor machinery power source. Now come to the classification of farm implement for the different purpose: transport and storage equipment, soil cultivation equipment for preparing and the field, like seeding equipment for irrigation, the field, crop protection equipments like sprayer, harvesting machinery like reaper and thresher. So this is about the classification of the farm based on work and purpose. Here you can see different classification and function and examples. For soil cultivation or field preparation, we have plow, harrow and cultivator. Plow is seedling machinery like seed drill, transplanter, precision planters are there nowadays. Irrigation equipments like drip irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, post harvest, transport and storage, tractors, two-wheel, four-wheel tractors, mowers are there. This time advanced this tractor by GPS guidance, and these electric tractors are there. Now come to the soil cultivating implements are very important, especially in fodder production. These implements help in the field preparation like MB plow, moldboard plow is suitable for the primary tillage operation where the weeds are the major problem, and these MB plow pulverize the soil and uproot the weed and traces residue and bury them under the soil. Next is cultivator, used for the fine seed bed preparation, space as a secondary tillage, and also used for the interculture operation. Disc plow is primary tillage, useful in hard and tracey and grassy land. A rotavator used in dry as well as wetland condition. This is a very advanced implements for the field preparation. In single operation, they perform the primary tillage as well as secondary tillage operation. Next we have disc harrow is used to secondary tillage to refine the or prepare the fine seed bed, fine till suitable for the seeding. Now come to the planting and seedling implements. Planting and seedling implements are used for the sowing of the seeds and planting of the seedlings. So seed drills are there, transplanter, broadcasting. Some crops require the broadcasting, precision planter also there, and the zero till seed drill. Zero till is direct sowing of the fodder crops like without any field preparation. This is known as zero tillage operation. These are the implements for the interculture operation: hand hoe, wheel hoe, cono weeder, power rotary weeder, earthing up weeder, and this long hand weeder for the to control the weed management or interculture operation. These are the irrigation equipment, the advanced irrigation like water pump or help in this generally used for the irrigation purpose. Sprinkler, micro irrigation system are there, rain guns are there, and like drip irrigation. So these are about the irrigation equipment generally used in the fodder production. Crop protection and fertilizing machineries like sprayer, knapsack sprayer comes under this 15 to 16 liter capacity, used for the spraying of the herbicide, fungicide and insecticide. This is foot or pedal operated sprayer. Power sprayer nowadays are very popular, which run by the petrol or diesel source, and the duster also is there. Now come to the harvesting and post harvest implements, because harvesting of the fodder is very important. Sickle is there by using this manual labor. Combined harvester, multi-purpose thresher are there for the threshing the seed purpose, winnower, cleaning the seed, miller and grain separators. Now come to the chaff cutter implements. There are different chaff cutter, manually operated chaff cutter are there, motor driven machine are there. This horsepower is 225 and 400 to 150 kg per hectare. Diesel base 5 HP horsepower, capacity 200 to 30 kg fodder per hectare. And tractor drawn of this fodder, there are machines are there for the cutting of the fodder. Tractor mounted forage harvester which can cut the forage 15 to 25 ton per hour. So these are the advanced implement machineries for the fodder production. Tractor drawn forage harvester. Tractor based on structural design, wheel tractors are there, different walking. These power tractor are there for the use generally for the small land or small plot field size. This is about the tractor based on purpose. Row crop tractor generally used for the furrow crop cultivation. General purpose tractor for farm operation like plowing, harrowing, sowing and transport work. Special purpose tractor is designed for the special purpose. These are the modern innovation in the farm implements. Nowadays, these drone technologies are there for spraying of different fungicide, insecticide and some these foliar nutrition, biostimulants in the fodder crop. Sensor and IoT based system are there used for the precision irrigation and this water smart irrigation system. These are we have the GPS, GIS system, variable rate technology system, remote sensing and yield monitoring tools, AI, machine learning also are using in the crop production or agronomic management. Now come to the smart farming, have like robot, sprinkler, autonomous tractor, automated field sensor are there and irrigation and drone. These are the tools and machinery for the smart farming. So this is about the implements, traditional implements and fodder implements for the fodder production. Thank you.